breakfast every morning. Good morning, guys. How did you sleep? I slept like a baby. Yeah, I slept like a baby until my husband woke up at 5 and woke me up, because our bedroom is right over top of the garage. So every time he opens that garage door, just like, oh. And then the funny thing is, I never wake up at that time. I'm like, if you're a good mother, you wake up at 5. But then I wake up at 6, sometimes 5:49-ish. And then I go back down to sleep. And what? Don't you gotta be up to make your kids? At some days, I just wish I could just be like, press the button and be like, not today. Not today. You're not going to school today. I'm not making your lunch, not fixing your breakfast. I'm not doing any of it. Not today. Not today. Just keep pressing that button. Not today. Every day. I don't even know what to make them for breakfast, for lunch right now, because Jackson has a field trip. He's going to the pumpkin patch. Is it pumpkin patch? I don't know. He has a field trip and he has to bring disposable lunch. In a plastic bag? And I'm not a good packer when it comes to disposable. Like, I'm just not. And the other kids, I don't know. I'm giving up right about now. Right about now is when I give up. I'm like, I'm done throwing the towels and just. But no, we got an adult today. My shirt says USA. I'm repping the USA today. Yay, I'm Jamaican, by the way. I'm not from this country. I'm gonna go figure out this children's life situation and I'll be right back. Guys, look what I found. Ooh, chicken nuggets. So I'm gonna heat these up and throw it in the thermos. Oh, wow, chicken nuggets be coming through for this mama.
Jackson can't have chicken nuggets.
He can't have chicken nuggets?
He has to put it in a bag. There it says.
He'll have Lunchable. Okay guys, so I figured out Jackson's his lunch situation. So because he has to have disposable, what I did is I have his carbohydrate. I have his carbs. I have carbs, protein, and his fruit. So that's the best way if you want, your kids are going on like field trips and they need to bring disposable and you need to incorporate all their different food groups. This is the best way that you can do it. And you just roll it up and you're done. Crisis averted. So chicken nuggets in a thermos, and a trick. Probably a lot of you don't watch my lunch videos, but just a tip. If you're serving like hot food in a thermos and it has the potential to sweat and make the bread soggy, put some napkins inside of it and it will help to absorb that moisture, and your kids will not have soggy food. So just a quick tip. Can't see anything.
Really?
Oh God!
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is dangerous.
Turn your headlights on.
My headlights are on.
It won't show.
It's so thick.
Oh my God.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself.
Just came out of the fog and just drove straight up out of there. Like, I thought the whole thing was gonna be foggy.
It would be nice if that whole thing was foggy.
Is this scary?
I don't have any gas anymore. Again. I stay riding on almost E. But the good thing is I know how many miles I have to go until I'm empty. I know I can come back and pick the kids up and take them to school tomorrow before I have to fill up. Are you ready for your test today?
I'm always ready.
You always ready?
I'll get 23 out of 20 again.
23?
No, I'm gonna get 20 out of 20.
This doesn't have extra points, does it? No?
The vocab is tomorrow. I will get 23 out of 20 tomorrow.
Oh.
Okay.
Good job on your test today, okay? Boys! Don't forget, do not bring me anything less than 15. Okay? So you might want to start studying. You have 6 minutes. So pull that paper out and work on the words that you have problems with, because I do not want less than 15. I mean it this time. Bye. Have a good day.
Get out.
See, we're back in the fog. We are back in the fog. It's just our area is foggy and it sucks. Look how thick that fog is. Oh my gosh. This is how it is. Like, the fog is so thick. What are you watching? Oh Lord, Maddie. Next one. Next one. All of me love all of you. So, isn't it funny how you start out something with someone and then all of a sudden they just get to another level and they kind of like switch up and roll out? Isn't that fake? You're just fake. You're a fake person if you do that. I mean, you're rolling with someone and just because they get a higher status in life, they're like, bye. You're fake. You're a fake person if you do anything like that. I just can't get, I can't get with people like that. I dislike people that think that, oh, I done made it on YouTube and now they want to act like the celebrities and act brand new. What's the matter, mommy? Hit your face? They want to act all brand new on YouTube. Like, girl, I remember your struggle videos back in the day. People like that irritates me. Right, mommy? She hasn't napped yet and she's struggling, right? My husband just called me talk about, what was he talking about? He was talking some mess. My husband likes to call me and pretend like he's just started dating me. So Maddie makes this noise in the background. He goes, who's that? I'm like, he's like, I thought you said you ain't had no kids. Which one of us have mental illness? Me or him? Someone asked me if I was officially diagnosed, and the answer to that question is yes. I was diagnosed when I was 17 years old. I didn't share it with anyone, mainly because I did share it with one individual, and that was a hot mess, and I vow never ever ever again. Because a lot of people think that, hey, just because something's wrong with you, that you need to have your children taken away from you because you're not capable of such responsibility, you know, and that's not the case. I mean, my children are happy. I put a roof over their head. It's not a roof that is provided by the government. I put food in their belly that is not provided by the government. I put clothes on their back that is not provided by the government, and they go to private school. So yeah, and a lot of people try to figure out what my husband does for a living, how we can afford to do all this on our own, and he is a commercial truck driver and he has every single endorsement that you can think of on his license. So he doesn't just get paid regular for, you know, a CDL driver. No, he gets more because he has a lot of endorsement on his license. Like, he has his hazmat, meaning he can transport, you know, hazardous materials, and all of those he had to pay for and go to and test for it and all that. So yeah, it was a lot of work, but it was worth it, and he gets compensated for that. And say hello. You're so stinking cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so stinking cute.
Do you mind doing whatever it is you're doing later? I'm
I can't with you, Maddie. I can't. So, I just wanted to say, do not get... Back off. Back off. And so we're gonna do shout outs. I did it earlier, but I didn't really like the quality of it, so I figured I would do a sit down and actually do it properly like normal people do. So let's not make this too long, because this video is like so long today. So we got some good comments today. Thank you guys so much for all your comments and your interaction. I really do appreciate it, and I really do enjoy interacting with you guys. And so yeah, the first comment of the day goes to Love Me a Joy. I love her so much. We became YouTube friends about way before Maddie was even here, and then one day she was like, how about you give me your number and I give you my number, and we just randomly text each other, and that's what we've been doing ever since. I hope to meet her one day. If you're watching this, Mia, I would love to meet you one day in person, because I think you're an amazing human being. She said, I'm currently watching. She is, always. Cash, hi Cash. She says, good morning, Maddie. I already told Maddie, and she smiled because we did this earlier, but like I said, I don't like the quality. The quality of it didn't come out the way I wanted it, so I said it to her and she laughed. Maddie loved the camera. Like yesterday, she stole the camera and recorded herself. Just the fact that she turned it on and also pressed record is just like, wait a minute, you're a YouTube baby. Sarah S. I'm not even going to try to butcher your name, but she said, hey girl, I feel you with the time flying by, and boom, you're late. I got 2 kids, so I know the struggle is real. XOXO from Louisiana. Hi Sarah. I think this is the first time I'm seeing your comment. If not, then hi. Yeah, it's a struggle to get kids out the door in the car, and it's just a struggle in the morning. And I don't know why I don't wake up like earlier to get out the door earlier, but then I don't like to be on time, and I also don't like to be late. I like to be right in the middle, if that makes any sense. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I don't even know why you guys watch me. I was like, if I was to pick one person to watch, I wouldn't watch myself. Megan B says, my mother-in-law suffers from D.I.D. She had over 30-some personalities. They are all integrated now. I have a hard time understanding it because it's not something you hear about every day. Do you remember anything when they switch in and out? So D.I.D. is very, a lot of people they either don't believe that it's a real diagnosis, or they think you're demonic. There's a difference. Just because I have multiple personalities that takes over my body does not mean I'm demonic or there are demons living within my body. No, they're all my personality, but it's just split, meaning I am not a whole person. Something happened in my childhood which causes my personalities to separate and be their own person, and that's just the way it is. I don't know if I will ever be whole again in this lifetime, but I am content. I am at a point where I'm content. For the longest time, I was diagnosed with this when I was 17, and for the longest time I ran away from it. I was like, I don't want anything to be wrong with me. I don't want mental illness. I don't want people to think I'm crazy. I remember telling one person that I had it a long time ago, and they legit tried to get my children taken away from me because they thought I was crazy. And I suffered in silence for many years because I was afraid that my children would be taken away from me, that people would think that I'm crazy and that I'm not equipped to handle 5 children and raise them to be decent human beings in society. And I'm just at a point now where I don't care. I don't care what people think. I don't care what people try to do. It's just, I'm gonna live my life. I'm going to embrace every aspect of my life, including my mental illness, and I'm going to make the best of what was given to me. So that's that. Do I remember anything when I switch? Yes, I am co-conscious at all times with my personalities. It's like if you can picture driving a car. Someone's driving, but you're in the passenger seat and you can see everything around you and hear. And so that's what it's like when a personality switched over. Oh, excuse my dog. He has you need to quit it. He has anxieties. He legit has anxiety. So yeah. All About the Scots says, we running behind this morning too. Good thing she ate breakfast at school, or she wouldn't have had breakfast. It's one of those days, girl. Oh, the struggle is real. Jackson forgot breakfast this morning, and I was going to give him breakfast, but it slipped my mind. So Jackson didn't have breakfast this morning either. You just do what you can and forget the rest. Deborah Brooks says, Janice, you're looking good. It looks like you're losing weight. Girl, I wish. You know how they say the camera adds 10 pounds? No, my camera adds like 50. Ressa, I think it's Ressa or Risa. Ressa T said, Maddie's going to definitely be a dancer. You have so much patience. Thank you, girl. She loved to dance. Mom to Mom Lifestyle. Loved your video. Thanks for sharing. I would love to see your hubby do a video on all of your personalities. I'll try to get it done sometime this week. If not this week, then next week. Cash again says, hey girl, love your bubbly videos. I'm new here, so sorry if it already exists, but will you do a video made by each personalities? Would love to see them all doing their thing. Unfortunately, I won't be doing that. That's not something I'm into, because I don't feel like I have to. I don't know, it's not something I'm up for. Becca Hope, hey girl. Sorry I am late. It's okay. You're always on time any other time, so it's okay to be late. Sorry I'm late. I was just at church. Hey, I love church. Ooh, I haven't been in a while, but that's a good place to be. Your daughter is so cute, especially with her baby dolls. Thank you. So that's it for that. Whoa, wait a minute. I think this is just gonna be it for this thing. It's like 8 minutes, really? Really? 8 minutes? Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna have to do this over. The ending thing. So, how much did you get on your test today?
20 out of 20.
How much did you get? 13 out of 20. Didn't I tell you not to come up here with less than 15? How much did you get?
17 out of 17.
Look.
He doesn't know.
I got like this one. He just left me.
I don't know how many.
So guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I'm gonna go edit the vlog and try to export it before 6:30 and get it up before 9:30. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.